Alright, today we're going to be taking out the instrument cluster on a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. All these trucks, pretty much Chevy 1500, 2500, 3500, Escalades, Yukons, they're all pretty much the same from like 95 to 2006. So, and it's fairly easy. What you're going to do, put your foot on the brake, put it in gear, pop that off, just like that. Super easy. Take that off, 7mm. And there's 4 bolts all the way around. Really easy. These clusters always go bad. The gauges. Gotta move stuff out of the way to get to it. One last bolt. And this is the same procedure, obviously, to take a radio out. The radio is right there. Do the same thing. Twist it back. Pull it out. There's a clip right here. You squeeze both sides of it. Go back. And there it is.